what do we got behind us right now?
2022, 2023 Toyota GR86.
Let's do a walk around, brother.
NK wheels.
Sheesh.
Black, nice little gloss black. Got the Yasmanira blue paint. Front splitter. No cracks on the windshield.
No, you broke it. It does not look.
Let's check it out. So this is actually really great because we have, oh no, we do have some blown airbag.
Hey, but hold on, before all that stuff, let's mention it's a clean title.
It's clean title.
Dude, never been into a wreck. The bank repo, some person crashed it and the bank repoed this thing.
Unbelievable. People
Nowadays, guess how much we got it for?
High percentage rates, expensive cars, no money in the bank.
Hey,
people are going crazy.
Hey, best part though, how much did we get it for, bro?
10 grand.
10 grand. Clean title 2023. What have you been doing, dude? All right, let's keep moving along. He doesn't really speak English, so he can't be in the vlog.
You got the OEM LCI taillights.
Yes.
Stock trunk, but this lip is also stock. It looks great though with the car.
Dang,
and the way
son.
the body shapes. We got a stock exhaust here.
Stock
A little bit of a rear diffuser going
yes.
on. Right here,
this is the main impact, right?
6 inches of pushed in quarter panel, that's a lot.
All right, so what are we gonna do? Are we gonna cut it out and just JB weld it on there?
What we're gonna do first, we're gonna grind it down. We're gonna weld some tabs on there. We're gonna pull it out.
All right.
We're gonna try to get this kink out over here. You see this?
You think?
Let me feel it real quick.
Feel it.
Artur,
We're gonna try to get that kink out and then cut it.
All right.
We're gonna go to Abe Sidikoff and we're gonna get us some parts.
At Direct?
At Direct Motors.
Pop the hood, brother. Oh, dude, we're gonna have to PDR that. Little dent on the hood.
Well, you locked up your dirt bike.
All right, let's do an oil test.
Woo! Woo! So you take 3 sniffs. If the 3rd sniff, you feel it in your brain like a little tingle, that means it's good.
Woo! He's fixing it. I'm just doing Bondo on it.
You're gonna be the Bondo man?
Yeah.
How much for you to Bondo this quarter? What is he doing back there?
400 bucks. If y'all gonna replace it, I'll do it for 150.
Sounds like a deal, brother.
Sounds like a deal.
Why y'all scratched up?
Insert
the clip. Drive up the hill! Drive there! Go!
I didn't know.
Doing a little bit of work today. Pull the seat out. Gonna have to get a new airbag and stitch this thing back up. What else you doing right now?
Taking the headliner off to get to this airbag.
All right, so it's coming off. Everything's on clips, bolts, and like 10 mils. Off. Glass guy just came, cut out this glass and the back glass, so now we have access to these spot welds. As you can see, they're under the glue. Got to start drilling out this quarter panel, probably pull it a little bit first, drill it out and start replacing. Alright, so this is the new quarter panel that we're going to be installing. Just got all this seam sealer off of the spot weld, started drilling them out. As you can see right there. Alright, so got this perfectly good quarter panel right here, got it off. Drill out all the spot welds, cut it off over there. We're probably going to end up replacing this structural piece right here because it's bent over there. And it's all on spot welds. You just drill it out, it pops off. Put on the new piece on the car and you're good to go. Yo, check this out. My dad just got done welding this quarter panel on. welds right here. Seam seal the spots where it's necessary. Open the door. Oh yeah. All right, guys, check it out. Put a little seam sealer right there to match the OEM seam sealer right over there, as you can see. Same exact design, same exact form, I guess you could say it that way. Notice a little couple imperfections. You can't really tell, little tiny stuff. So I'm gonna take care of that with a block and end up primering it. Gotta lay some Bondo over the welds. There's a dent right here. I'm gonna use this dent puller to pull this dent right out. Door jamb right here. Also gotta do a little Bondo right here. But this actually ends up getting covered up with a plastic trim. As you can see, it'll be perfect. And then there's a dent right here from, who knows what that's even from. And check it out, guys. We got the Bondo knocked out. There's a little low spot right here. Filled it up, feels great. Got all these welds knocked out. Feels really good down there. This door had a little bit of damage, and then I noticed a couple spots, so I blocked it out. I'm gonna shoot some primer on it, gonna be good to go. As well as the side skirt right here, check it out. There's a little fat, oh, not little, it was a fat scratch. Got it knocked out. Let's tape it up, shoot some primer on it.
The next day.
All right, guys, check it out. We got the car prepped, ready to go for paint. We got the side skirt right here. There's a little chip, so I hit it with a little bit of primer. Door, blocked it out, hit it with some primer. There's a few weird lines going on in this door over here. Little dent right here. Got all that knocked out. Check it out. We're doing this the right way with the jam together. Since this is a solid color, it's not gonna look any different if you paint it separately from the car or nothing. All right, guys, just shot the clear coat on all these parts. Came out really good, actually. Still gonna need a little buff here and there, but for the most part, especially this fender, I mean, dang, looks like OEM. Dang, son, chill. So guys, the car is fully painted, fully put together, and check this out. Changed all the suspension on the GR86, and now the wheel is fully straight. It's all good. It doesn't pull to the side or nothing past alignment. I mean, everything is perfect. Let me show y'all guys. Check it out. Wheel sets in the middle. I mean, everything is good. This new rim he got on, I mean, he already managed to curb it. It's crazy. Right here. Already managed to curb it. But yeah, he started driving this thing and it's been treating him well. So guys, if you made it this far into the video, thanks for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe down below if you enjoyed today's video, and if you want to see more like this, comment down below. We got another rebuild coming up. I already finished it up. Got to put the video together. So subscribe down below, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.